Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the roll-up tonneau cover fitting your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator without the trail rail system. This is perfect for the Gladiator owner who's looking for a budget-friendly soft cover option that installs quickly and easily, and once rolled up has the smallest footprint. It is constructed from weather-resistant black vinyl fabric with a durable aluminum frame and elastic straps to secure the tonneau in the open position. This is great for those of you who need full bed access and want a tonneau cover with one of the smallest footprints once rolled up, allowing you to use your entire bed. Now, one thing I did want to point out with this soft cover, as with any soft cover, is that it's not going to protect from theft as well as a hard cover would. It's not going to pass the knife test. But if you're looking for a quick and budget-friendly way to protect your bed from the elements, this is an excellent choice. Now, to operate this tonneau cover, all you have to do is drop the tailgate. You'll see a piece of vinyl hanging down. Pull that. That will release the tonneau at the back, and now you can start to roll it up. Once it's rolled all the way to the back, you can grab these elastic straps and hook them in place. And then to unroll your tonneau cover, you just do all of those steps in reverse. Release each of the elastics. Roll the tonneau back out. Make sure the metal tabs are lined up in each side. Lock the tonneau in place and secure the Velcro on each side. Then of course you can shut your tailgate. So as far as price goes, this tonneau cover comes in at around $250, making it one of the most budget-friendly tonneau options for your Gladiator. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct clamp-on installation that can be done within 30 minutes. So with that said, let's check out that install. For this install, you will need the 2 included Allen keys. Now the first step in our install, you're going to grab your tonneau cover and we're going to set it at the front of your bed on top of the bulkhead. Now they did include some extra weather stripping if you'd like to use it up top. Just see how well the tonneau cover sits, make sure it seals properly, and then use that weather stripping if you need it. Line it up on either side and then we'll get the rails installed. Now that you have the tonneau cover set on top of your bed, grab the corresponding bed rail. Make sure you have the proper side. It should have the opening up here. What we're gonna do is line up the tab coming off of the cover. You may need to lift the cover up a little bit. Line it up with the rail and wiggle it in place. Make sure it sits all the way flush against the cover. Then once you have your rail installed in the cover, what you wanna do is find this set screw and grab the smaller included Allen key to tighten it down. Once you tighten those set screws on both sides and install your rails on each side of the bed, slide the clamp down to approximately the front third of your bed. You want these to be evenly spaced. Find these separate brackets with your kit. Line it up inside of the brackets that are pre-installed to the rail. Make sure it's grabbing a good portion of the inside of your bed. Grab the included Allen head hardware and thread it in. Then with your larger Allen key, go ahead and tighten it down. Repeat that with the remaining 2 brackets. Line them up about equally distant from each other. Grab that secondary bracket, line it up within the bracket attached to the rail, and install your hardware. Make sure you tighten it down so that it's grabbing the edge of the bed nice and tight with that included Allen hardware. And we'll get the last one installed. And repeat that with the rear bracket. Now you don't have to be exact with these locations, as long as it's one towards the back, one towards the front, and one about equally spaced in the middle. You should get a good clamp from the rail to the edge of your bed, and the tonneau will be attached securely. Make sure you repeat that on the other side, then we can roll out our cover. And now that you have the driver's side rail installed, go ahead and repeat all of those steps to install the passenger side rail. Once they're both in place, unhook the bungees on each side and start to roll your cover out. Once it's rolled all the way out, line up these metal posts at each side. And clamp it in place. Then once it's clamped down, go ahead and pull on each side of the cover to secure the Velcro. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of this tonneau cover. And remember, for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.